Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Kasa Sport Pan tilt camera step by step using the Kasa Smart application in 2026. So before setting up the camera, you need to simply download and install the Kasa Smart application on your Android or on your iPhone device, and then you can sign in here with the help of your TP-Link account. Now, once you have done that, you need to open the application, and here on the dashboard, you will see this plus icon. When you press this plus icon, you will be shown this type of pop-up in the bottom. So you need to simply select the option of add a device. Afterwards, you will be shown the add a device section where among the given products from Kasa, you need to simply select the cameras. Now, when you are inside the option of add a camera, you just have to simply select the Kasa Sport camera and wait for some time until the connection process starts automatically. Now, during the setup, you need to keep your phone close to the camera for more stable connection. Also, in order to make sure that the connection established successfully, you need to connect your phone to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network because many of the Kasa cameras do not support the direct 5 GHz setup connections. Now, after the setup, you need to give the camera a custom name, and you can also choose a room location like living room or office. And now you can also test the pan and the tilt cameras, enable the motion detection, and adjust the video quality, and even turn on the notifications directly inside the Kasa application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.